This is a 2012 Buick Regal. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Plus, having just come off lease, this Buick is in like new condition. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, voice recognition, a sunroof, heated seats, the IntelliLink infotainment system, XM satellite radio, a turbocharger, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, a toolkit, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.